Getting some banjo work going here pretty soon. There's a young lady out there, a YouTuber. Her and her husband are musicians, and they do a lot of things. She's a writer. She does a bunch of stuff. And I promised her years ago. Has it been years? It's been quite a while. I promised her a long time ago I was going to make her a can banjo, and I bought a can, and I've got some necks down here, and I was just thinking the other night, it's about time to get on with it. This shed is a little crowded, and most of my banjo stuff, there's a lot of it laying around on top of all my other stuff. I got a lot of banjo stuff here, but the stuff I need is like in boxes and containers all up in there, so I may just take a day soon. If I can't clean the entire shed, just at least clean one end of this off so that I can get her banjo out of here and get started working on it. I think I bought her a can. I bought her a Marvel Mystery Oil can. That's a good one. And I've got necks down here. I'm hoping I'll have a neck that's good enough. I got these necks here. There's a trick to getting the right kind of neck and getting one that'll work and one that'll fit. And you know, a lot has to do with weight. Like this one here, this ain't too heavy. A lot of times, they're just so heavy they outweigh the can. So, but I've got other things. I got other necks and things around here. So, yeah, that's on my list too. But that's not what I came down here for. I came down here to find more weed whacker string. See how much I have, whether or not I even need to order some. There's one roll here. It might be all I got down here. Might be about time to order me some more. Yes, sir. Might be. Yes, sirree, Bob. Could be. Okay. I ought to bring that whacker down here and cut this stuff down too. Yeah, always something to do around here. Oh, it's a lovely day though. It's a lovely day to do stuff. Love doing stuff. Will y'all ride up there? Maybe, maybe not. Doubt it. It's okay. You don't have to ride. You can walk. Go ahead. Walk up to the house. Go ahead. See if I care. See, I got down and whacked all around the shed there. We had company overnight the last couple nights. What am I going up here to get? Do y'all remember? I was going after something. Maybe I was going to order new string. I might just go in and order me some new string. And then come back and grab the weed whacker, take it down there and mow that down there. And then I might do a little work in the banjo shed. I could do some of that today. I could just get right on to it, Rosa. Maybe I should. Maybe I will.